What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Astro Cuddy, and we are back with another episode of Kicking It with Astro. I told y'all I'm gonna be more consistent, and I told y'all last episode that this sneaker I'm proud to have. So before we get started, you know the drill: like, subscribe, comment, cause I love talking to y'all. This is gonna be a brief video. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired. And I'm gonna be real, dealing with some shit, so I'm just like not in the best headspace, but regardless, we're gonna get to the money. Um so last episode I definitely talked about a shoe that had pockets. I was hoping that people started commenting Travis Scott sixes, and honestly I wish I had them, but I don't. But we got a pair of Travis Scotts. We have another pair of Travis Scott sneakers, man. And I'm not regretting buying the sneaker, but it's like I totally forgot they had a brown pair, and I was like, fuck. I forgot to get the brown pair. I should have got the brown pair. But I'm not gonna lie, like I say Cactus Jack. I mean Travis Scott is Cactus Jack. But Travis Scott has been doing this like Cactus Corporation thing, as you can see back there. Yes, right there. Well, yeah, I see the corporation, but the paper says Cactus Corporation. Yeah, so he's been doing like this Cactus Corporation thing. He dropped 3 pairs of Air Maxes. I think one's was friends and family. Another one's the Saturn Gold ones that I have. The other one is the wheat color ones. I gotta get the wheat color ones. And then he dropped 2 Air Trainers. Not gonna lie to you, I was never a fan of Air Trainers at all. I'm gonna be that person. Call me a hype beast because I bought it because it says Travis Scott's name on it. I don't give a fuck. Yeah. Why am I letting the ad play? That just caught me off guard. Crazy. But yeah, call me a hype beast. It says Travis Scott name on it. I said, fuck it, I'm gonna buy the shoe. Never was a fan of Air Trainers though, so I'm just like this shoe is a challenge for me, and I love that it's a challenge for me because like most shoes I already know how to style. Like most sneakers I already know what to put on, how to wear the pants and this, that, and the third, change it up. Like I know how to do that. 12s, 1s, 4s, 3s as I'm looking at them on the floor and stuff like that. Like yeah, I know how to switch it up. I never had a pair of Air Trainers in my life, so I'm like, what the fuck? How are we gonna do this? Like, how are we gonna style this? How am I gonna make this look good? And I like that because it's a challenge for me. So the box is the same box as like the Air Max box that I got. I kind of wish it was different, but I guess he was doing this whole Cactus Corporation thing and wanted to keep it, brown. Also, if y'all paid attention, the Utopia case that Mike Dean has right now is also brown. Brown. I'm trying to tell y'all. The boy cooked up. But, so these are the shoes. Like, honestly, I never had a pair of Air Trainers in my life, so I'm just like, how the fuck am I gonna wear this? I didn't untie it either. Like, I didn't put my foot in it and everything, because there's a cool feature with the shoe. So, like, the shoe originally is supposed to look like this. Hold on. Okay, let's see. The shoe is originally supposed to look like that was there. That was there. Hope that I did it right. I think I did. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada. Oh shit. Bada pow. Yeah, let's go. And the last one. I mean, y'all get the picture, right? The shoe is supposed to look like this. This is how the Air Trainer is supposed to look with whatever this is on it. I think this is some type of material that's like very good to wear in like rain. It's waterproof. I think it's like spill proof and stuff like that. I was like, holy shit, I didn't even know that the shoe came with that. and it has instructions on like how to fold it to put it in the tongue. I like sneakers like this, sneakers that are crazy and now like creative as fuck, which Travis Scott always does. So like you take, so all right, so I put this on. Y'all obviously see, you know. So I'm gonna give y'all a whole rotation of the shoe. This is how it looks with the, you know, little mesh thingy on it. It says Cactus Corporation on the back. It has a fucking pocket, bro. It has a pocket back here. I don't know for what. Whatever you want to put in it. Was that whatever you want to put in it? But this is a pocket on a shoe. Feel me? Then it's the tongue, right? CJ, Cactus Jack, the gang. You already know the fucking vibes. And then shoe fell. Yeah, no. And the fucking thing fell. Anyways, then there's a pocket on the tongue. So you could put whatever this is, fold it up, and put it in the tongue, bro. Creativity at its finest. Travis got it. I'm gonna take off the, you know, the, so I could show the, you know, the little sign, you feel me? And I love the fact that it's a reverse swoosh. Come on now. Come on now. I love it. I love it. I actually like that that's like his logo for like Nike. Like it's a reverse swoosh. Anyone could have thought of it, but the GOAT, obviously. So, all right, so this is already on. I'm gonna attempt to focus. Wow. Place the fold the upper part like this. Fold this like this. Fold this like. Hold on. How you want me to read the instructions and then go? Yo, this is crazy. So boom, boom. And you fold that up and then you. Very, very interesting, my Travis Scott, sir. Hold on. I got this right. We lit. I don't think I got it right though. Hold on. Let's put this right here and open this zipper. Cause bro, that's crazy. How do you want me to read the instructions and I gotta close the thing where the instructions is at? Like, make it make sense. All right, that's big enough to fit in there. No, that's tough. Bro, nah, yo, you know what you could put in here? Nah. You know. Y'all know. We all know. But that's fire. And it like forms the oh, bro. This made the shoe look so much sexier with the little yo, Travis Scott. Jaquise Berman Webster III, my guy. I need you to send me sneakers for free at this point. But this is hard. This is how it looks without. Like, this is how it looks with the little plastic thingy or the little mesh thingy. I'm gonna wear this too. If it's raining, I'll start throwing this on because it's gonna protect the shoe. Hell yeah. And this is how it looks without. I'm not gonna lie, that reverse swoosh is going crazy right now. Come on, y'all. Cactus Jack. The GOAT. As I play unreleased music by him. I hope I don't get kicked off YouTube for that. But anyways, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This shoe is gonna be a challenge for me. Even the strap. I totally forgot about the talk. I said totally forgot to talk about the strap. This shit has a strap on it. I don't know how to wear this shoe, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. But honestly, I really wish I got the brown pair. The brown pair, I ain't gonna lie. I'm starting to come around to like wearing earth tones and brown colors. I love it. And like I was looking at it on feet. Like I was going on Pinterest and like looking it up. I was like, damn, I should've got the brown pair. But this is a challenge for me. This shit just not gonna zip up, huh? So you're gonna open. You're not gonna be closing. Yeah. All right. Oh, thank God. I was about to say, bro. But yeah, man. There's a lot of unreleased Travis Scott music. Wow. The more I look at this shoe, the more like the shoe goes crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this. This is a good shoe. Air trainers are they were actually popping back in the day. Who's the athlete that wore them a lot? Bo fucking Jackson. If I'm wrong, someone has to like comment on the video. But I think Bo Jackson was the person that made air trainers popular. Come on, man. To remodel a very, very famous athlete shoe. He already did it with Jordans, did it with Nikes. Now you're doing it again. Damn, what was the saying that Bo Jackson? What was it said? Like, you don't know Bo or something like that, but that man is a fucking monster of an athlete. One of my favorite athletes of all time. But, shit, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna style this some way. The stylist gonna style, baby. Trust me, the stylist gonna style. But this is the shoe. I ain't gonna lie. It's a Travis Scott shoe. It says Cactus Jack on it. I was gonna get it. Hype beast. I don't care. At this point in my life, I want what I want. But this is the video, y'all. I told you I was gonna be short. You know, next time I'll probably go in a little bit deeper with like the history of the shoe. I know a lot of people been like talking about that in Acts and Verse. So I'm like, okay, so I should start researching the shoe before I actually do the video on it and have like a little backstory of like history and stuff like that. But you know the vibes. Astro Cuddy out.